A very warm welcome to you, our viewers. According to a report by Vanguard, another kidnapping incident has raised fresh concerns over security in Ondo State after two farmers were abducted by suspected gunmen in Ifira and Ararian community in Akoko Southeast local government area. The attackers reportedly ambushed the victims while they were traveling to their farmland before taking them into a nearby forest. As families desperately await their safe return, the incident has once again highlighted the growing dangers confronting rural communities where farming, once considered a routine daily activity, is increasingly becoming a life-threatening occupation. The latest abduction has sent shock waves across Ifira, a community where agriculture remains the primary source of livelihood for many residents. According to sources familiar with the incident, the two farmers were on their way to work when armed men intercepted them and forced them into the surrounding forest. Within hours, fear spread through the community as relatives realized the victims had not returned home. Families immediately alerted security agencies, hoping that a rapid response would increase the chances of rescuing the victims before they could move to another location. One of the relatives revealed that the incident was promptly reported to both the Nigerian police force and the Ondo State Security Network Agency, widely known as Amotegun. According to the family member, the suspected kidnappers later established contact and demanded a ransom of 10 million naira for the release of the victims. The family appealed to the government and security agencies for urgent intervention, stressing that their greatest concern is the safe return of their loved ones. Like many families affected by kidnapping, they now face the emotional burden of uncertainty while hoping that rescue efforts succeed before the situation worsens. The case also illustrates the difficult choices many families face during kidnapping incidents. While relatives often receive ransom demands from abductors, security agencies usually advise against making payments, arguing that ransom transactions encourage further criminal activities. Families, however, are frequently caught between following official advice and doing everything possible to secure the release of their loved ones. This painful dilemma has become increasingly common in communities affected by kidnapping across different parts of Nigeria. Reacting to the incident, the spokesperson for the Ondo State Police Command, DSP Jumo Abayomi, confirmed that a missing persons report had been received at the Isua Akoko Divisional Police Headquarters. He disclosed that security agencies wasted no time in mobilizing personnel to begin search and rescue operations. According to him, the operation involves a coordinated effort bringing together the Nigerian Police Force, the Nigerian Army, the Amotegun Corps, local hunters, Abekoya operatives, and community volunteers. Their combined objective is to locate the victims quickly and arrest those responsible for the abduction. Security teams have concentrated their operations around the Oke-Ifura and Idugun forest axis, an area believed to be the route taken by the suspected kidnappers. Forested areas have increasingly become major operational bases for criminal gangs because they provide natural cover and make security operations more challenging. Conducting rescue missions in such environments require careful planning, intelligence gathering, and close coordination among different security agencies to minimize risk to both the victims and rescue personnel. While the family insists that the kidnappers demanded 10 million naira, the Ondo State Police Command stated that it had not officially confirmed receiving any information regarding a ransom request. DSP Abayomi stressed that, based on information available to the command at the time of his statement, the police were not aware of any ransom demand connected to the case. This distinction is significant because ransom negotiations often occur directly between kidnappers and victims' families before security agencies receive complete information. As investigations continue, authorities are expected to verify every aspect of the case. The police spokesperson also appealed to members of the public to support the ongoing operation by providing credible information that could assist investigators. He assured residents that any information received would be handled confidentially and urged communities to remain calm while security personnel continue their search. Public cooperation has become an essential part of many rescue operations, particularly in rural communities where local knowledge can help investigators identify suspicious movements, unfamiliar individuals, or possible hideouts used by criminal groups. The abduction has once again drawn attention to the security challenges affecting farming communities in several parts of Nigeria. Farmers often leave their homes early in the morning and travel through isolated roads or forests to reach their fields, making them vulnerable to attacks by armed criminals. Every successful kidnapping not only traumatizes affected families, but also discourages agricultural activities, threatens food production, and increases economic hardship for communities that rely heavily on farming for survival. The involvement of multiple security organizations in the Ondo operation demonstrates growing recognition that combating kidnapping requires cooperation rather than isolated efforts. Police officers, soldiers, Amotegun operatives, local hunters, and community volunteers each contribute different capabilities to rescue mission. Authorities hope that combining intelligence, local knowledge, and operational resources will improve the chances of locating the victims quickly and preventing further attacks within the area. For the families of the two abducted farmers, however, every passing hours remains filled with anxiety. Their immediate concern is not politics or statistics, but the safe return of their loved ones. As security agencies continue combing the forests around Ifira, residents are hoping that the coordinated operation will lead to a successful rescue without loss of life. Until then, the latest incident serves as another reminder of the security challenges confronting rural communities and the urgent need for sustained efforts to protect farmers, strengthen local intelligence, and ensure that those responsible for kidnapping are brought to justice. For more updates and in-depth analysis, stay with us on News Express. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am Cassie Tony. Many thanks for watching.